In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage invoices in QuickBooks Online. This process is an essential skill for anyone handling financial transactions within a business, ensuring everything remains organized and runs smoothly. We'll break it down step by step, so don't worry if you're just getting started. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. Navigate to your favorite web browser and type in the URL https://qbo.intuit.com. Once you've reached the site, simply sign in using your credentials. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to set up your account. Just follow the instructions provided. Once inside QuickBooks, take a look at the left-hand menu. Right there, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on it. This will open up a range of options for different types of transactions you can perform. In the Customer section, find and click on Invoice. This feature allows you to bill customers for sales transactions. Now, it's time to focus on whom we are billing. You'll have the option to select an existing customer from your list. Simply click on the customer's name. If you need to bill someone new, don't worry, there's an easy way to do that. Click Add New and fill in the customer's details. By capturing this information accurately, you ensure that your invoices reach the intended recipient without hiccups. With your customer selected, we move on to entering the details of the invoice itself. Start by filling in the invoice date and its due date. This helps in both timely payment and proper record keeping. Then, include the product or service items you're billing for. Pay attention to the quantity and price fields to ensure they reflect the transaction accurately. If there are any terms or additional notes that need to accompany the invoice, this is the place to include them. Before we finalize and send out the invoice, it's crucial to review everything. Click on Print or Preview to get a clear look at how the invoice will appear to your customer. This is your last chance to catch any errors and make adjustments as necessary. Once you're happy with how everything looks, the next step is to send it. Click on the Save and Send button. A window will pop up prompting you to enter the recipient's email. Add a friendly message if you wish. It makes for courteous communication. And then hit Send. Lastly, you'll want to keep an eye on the status of this invoice. To do this, navigate to the Sales module, then click on Customers, followed by Invoices. Here you can track whether the invoice is paid, unpaid, or perhaps even overdue. This is key to maintaining healthy cash flow and ensuring all transactions are accounted for. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of creating an invoice